Hello guys, this is Salik Abdul Rahman, and in this video I'm gonna show you how you can create the button of dark mode in your website, and it is absolutely 100% free. Okay, the process is very simple. Let me show you how you can make it. Just click on plugins and click on add new plugin. After that you need to search dark. The first plugin is WP Dark Mode. Dark Mode plugin for improved accessibility, dark theme, night mode, and social sharing. Install it now. And after installation, you just need to activate it. That's all you need to do. Actually, my net is slow, that's why it takes time. Okay, so it's done installing. Now click on activate. That's all you need to do. Okay, now go to your website homepage. This is my website, just refresh it. And on the right bottom corner, you can see there is a button of dark mode. When you click on that, your whole website will convert it into dark mode. Click on that and you can see. It's so cool. Alright, so this is now for today. See you in the next video. Take care. Bye bye.